Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a Look Fantastic mystery box. So they had these again on their website for £10 per box or 3 boxes for £20. So I did pick up 3 of them, although at the time I purchased them they only had 2 of the boxes in stock, so I did have to purchase a duplicate, so that will just get re-gifted to someone else because nothing will go to waste. But I just thought I would unbox this one for you, have a little look at the products in here and see how much everything is worth. So the first thing to say obviously is that these mystery boxes are some of their previous month's boxes. So I think I always say whenever I do these, if you do have their Look Fantastic subscription service, then obviously the risk is that you will receive a box you have received before. But for the sake of £10 for one or 3 for £20, if you're willing to take the risk or don't mind having duplicate items, then I always think these are a really fun thing to do. So let's get this brown box opened. Okay, so the first thing in here is of course the little pamphlet that gives you all of the information about all of the products in your box. I don't want to have too much of a look in here just yet, but the first thing is pulling out the box is that it isn't actually a box for this month. It is this really gorgeous little case and it is see-through, so you can see all of the products in here. So I don't want to have too much of a look because I do want to pull them out one by one and see what's in here. But first of all, I think this is absolutely brilliant because I always save the boxes from these anyway. They're pretty sturdy. You can probably see behind me I've got some here with some bits in, some here. I've got like the glossy boxes as well. They just make absolutely perfect storage boxes, but really pleased to see this is something a bit different and something that I can use, something other than just storing other makeup items in. This is a really cute little travel bag, or I don't know, you can probably even just put anything you wanted in here. So let's have a look and see exactly what products we've got. So the first thing I have pulled out of my Look Fantastic mystery box is this Revlon lipstick, and this is their super lustrous lipstick in the shade Rose Wine. So I do actually already own this lipstick, so I'll just go and grab the one that I've got so I don't have to unnecessarily open this one up. So here is the one that I already own, and it is a really, really gorgeous shade, really, really pretty. Just getting that swatched for you. And it is a really, really stunning shade. And you can feel how kind of lustrous and creamy that is just on your hand. It is the only Revlon lipstick I own. So a little bit annoyed that I do already have this shade, but I'm sure that someone will be able to make good use of this lipstick. Anyway, this lipstick here actually retails for about £7.50. So you know, nearly covered the cost of the mystery box just in this first item. And yeah, I'm not annoyed that I already have this lipstick. Obviously that's the risk with mystery boxes, but I do have to say it is a really, really stunning lipstick and it is long lasting and the pigmentation of it is just absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a little look and see what else we've got in here. And this is the second item I have pulled out of my Look Fantastic mystery box, and it is this Iliasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in the shade Oh My God. So this is just one of their little mini sample sizes. It is just 2ml, and I have tried a few things from Iliasqua and I do really, really love their products, but haven't had a chance to try any of the highlighters yet. So definitely very intrigued to see how I'm going to get on with this. You can just see ever so slightly here just a little bit of the highlighter. So it does say here that this will give you a striking strobe-like glow, mix into your base makeup for a natural luminosity, or apply directly to the high points of the face for a champagne glowy finish. And this does look really, really pretty, and it's cruelty-free and vegan as well, which is really great to know. And I've had a little look online and the full size of this retails for £24, but it is a 15ml tube, so really actually not a massive tube anyway. So let's say that this 2ml tube here is about £3 worth of products, and I'm really, really excited to give this a go because, as I said, I have tried a few Iliasqua products before, absolutely love their lipsticks. I've tried a primer, but yeah, I haven't tried out the highlighters, but I do definitely have high hopes for this one. So what a really great little product to receive. And this is the third item I have pulled out of my Look Fantastic mystery box, and it is this LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser, and this is their Kombucha Glow Moisturiser. It says here, just apply each morning to cleanse skin, and it's a priming moisturiser that leaves skin with a dewy glow. And I have heard really amazing things about LMS and all of their skincare products, but again, I've never had a chance to actually try the brand out. So very excited to see this in this mystery box. So this is actually a full-size product at 20ml and retails for £15, which I think it's quite pricey just for this small little tube. I've just popped a little bit onto the back of my hand and it has just melted in really nicely and easily, and it's actually made my hand feel like really soft already. So good hopes for this as a facial moisturiser. As I said, very excited to try the brand out because I've heard really amazing things, and also really excited to try this out as well as a primer. So yeah, another great little product. So this is the next thing I've pulled out of my mystery box, and this is definitely a product that I will not use and I will definitely be giving to someone else. So this is the Mine Tan Body Skin Face and Body Tan Mist, and it's their Cucumber Soothe and Moisturiser. It's like a hydrating gradual tan spray, which I definitely will not use. I don't really tan anyway, ever. I'm not really that fussed about looking tanned. I'll just embrace my natural paleness. I really am not fussed, but this is a gradual tan mist infused with soothing cucumber for a deeper, longer lasting tan. It hydrates, conditions and tones. I'm sure it's a great product, but definitely not for me. Just having a little look in the book for some more information. It's a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow. With a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell, this gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. It's got cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil and macadamia seed oil. So it sounds like it'll be very like soothing and softening and hydrating for your skin. And I'm sure that if you were looking for a self tanner, then you probably would be quite interested in this. But for me, just really not that fussed at all. So had a little look online, and the full size version of this is about £13, and I'm going to take from that, given the size of the bottle, this is probably about £2 worth of product. Again, I don't really know how far this small bottle is going to go, especially if you were spraying your entire face and body every single day. Probably not going to last a huge amount of time, but I'll definitely get this re-gifted to someone else who I know will love it. And then this is the next thing in my Look Fantastic mystery box, and it is the Star Skin VIP 7-second luxury all day mask, and it's a 7-in-1 miracle skin mask pads. And I have actually tried this out before because I received it in another box like this, and yeah, it pretty much says what it says it's going to do. So it is a new generation 7-in-1 beauty innovation that combines the ultimate 7-step skincare into one easy to use supercharged mask pad to deliver instantly fresh and dewy looking skin within seconds. So it's got massage, exfoliator, toner, serum, moisturiser, mask and makeup primer. So sounds like it's going to do absolutely everything. Just having a little look in my booklet as well. So it's got glycerin, it's got grapeseed extract, berry seed extract and niacinamide. What I did like about this is that it's like got two sides of the pad. So you kind of put the textured side of the pad all over your face, and then you flip it over and use the smooth side to just kind of do the moisturising and the serum side of things. So it does sound like a pretty good product, and don't get me wrong, it was a great product to use, but this single mask is actually £13. So I definitely will not be rushing out to buy this again just because of the price point. Like I said, the product is good, but £13 for just one just, you know, just a one-time use product, I think is pretty expensive. Yes, of course, all of your individual skincare items are going to cost more than £13, but of course you get multiple uses out of them rather than just one use from this. But don't get me wrong, it's a great little product to have, it's great to try out, and I suppose that's the beauty of these boxes, just trying out some new things that you wouldn't ordinarily, you know, go and purchase, or could be a bit outside of your price point. And then this is the final product in my Look Fantastic mystery box, and it is this Grow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. So it says here, as part of the Defense hair care regime, spray onto towel dried hair, comb through and style as usual. So this sounds really interesting. I've not ever heard of either this company or this kind of spray before. Okay, so this sounds really interesting. This is a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, colour fade and external aggressors. Vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates or silicons. Especially great for greasy hair that is prone to build up. So it's got green tea extracts, sunflower extracts and vitamin B5. So if this is going to help with like heat defense as well, that's really great, because I do straighten my hair every day and I normally just use the Cherryz heat defense spray, but this one does sound really interesting, especially with like all the green tea extracts and the sunflower extracts in it as well. But yeah, really interested to try this out. So I never heard of this brand or this sort of product before, so really interesting. It's got quite a non-offensive fragrance, so that's great. I don't want to be spraying something on my hair that's going to smell not very nice. And I have had a little look online to see how much this 60ml bottle of leave-in spray retails for, and it is about £9, which seems on the pricey side for me. So bearing in mind I normally use the Cherryz heat defense spray, and that is massive, and it's like £4 or £5. So I'll see how I get on with this. Probably not the sort of thing I'm going to repurchase, but again, like with everything in these boxes, it's a really amazing way to just try out new brands and new products. So yeah, can't wait to try this one out as well. So that was everything in my Look Fantastic mystery box. Well, I say mystery box, my mystery bag, and I absolutely love this bag. I think it's going to come in so handy. There's a few products in here that I'm really excited about trying, a couple of others that I'm not so fussed about and I will give to someone else, but I've had a little tot up to see how much everything in this bag retails for, and it's about £49.50, and considering that there's a couple of things in here that I'm less fussed for or already own, and the fact that I only paid £20 for 3 of these boxes, I think that's pretty good value. Very excited actually about this Elemis primer. I think that's what I'm most excited for out of everything in here. And yeah, let me know if you think this was a good value box, if you received this one, what you thought of the products, or if there's anything here that you think looks particularly interesting. I would really love to know. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.